I'm Deborah with Deborah's Delights, and I would like to share with you an old family recipe, how to make a Scotch pudding. So now we move on to our ingredients. Don't let the heavy creams and the sugars scare you off because it's for a special occasion. So first of all, we have heavy whipping cream, whole milk, brown sugar, little sea salt, tiny bit of whiskey, not so much, but important for flavor, vanilla extract, egg yolks, which we'll separate from the egg whites later on, little cornstarch, some delicious yummy butter, adds lots of flavor. Last but not least, we have toffee to top off our Scotch pudding.